Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is the best URL shortener website to make money online in 2022. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. So let's get started now. If you are looking to make money from URL shortener, so there are many website level services to shrink URLs. URL shortening services allow you to make cash when you use them to shorten long URLs from various websites. So number one is ULS1. I would like to introduce your stable and reliable URL shortener ULSO.fun. Feel free to earn up to $22 per thousand visits. Features earn up to $22 per thousand views. Refers friend and receive 22% of the earning for life. Number 2 is ADF.lay. ADF.lay is one of the world's largest websites that allows you to shrink your URL. It's no different from alternative such websites like Google, Bitlay, tinyurl.com. The however difference is that they can give you fixed part of cash against that they have a twist. They are going to pay you $5 against 1,000 visitors. Short.st. Shorten.st is a new URL shortening company and it will give you $2 per thousand views for promoting shortener URL, and the minimum cash out is $5 if you are not satisfied with payout. Then you can earn from the referral system cashfly.com. There are free web link shortening services with a twist. Every time one of your links is shared with someone else on the internet, you get paid. It's that easy. Simply register for an account, then start linking. Each time someone visits on your links, you get paid. Number 5 is linkshrink.net. Linkshrink pays $2 to $5 and the minimum payout is $5. Through a referral system, you can get out 10% commission from your referral. It is the best and innovative company which pays good rates to their customers. Number 6 is Ojo.io. Ojo.io is another fastest growing new network with amazing features and services. Number 7 is cc.cc. Is another URL shortener and screen capture services based on CPM. First you have to short your URL and the rate of CPM around is $9 and the minimum payout is $5. Gcash is another URL shortener network to make money. This is the fastest growing network just because they offer better rates, features and interface which attract users. PWPW is a URL shortening company and the P.PW pays $1 to $3 per thousand views and minimum payout is $5. Number 10 is Adu.me. Adu.me is a popular URL shortening services provided. You can earn $3 to $5 per thousand. Number 11 is LinkEarn. LinkEarn is the URL shortener and it generates $7 per thousand views. Number 12 is AL.lay. AL.lay is the popular URL and it pays $1 to $10 per thousand views on the links clicked and viewed. Number 30 is Linkbugs. Linkbugs is the pays $0.5 to $7 per thousand views. Fast.ly pays $15 per thousand views and the short.am pays $5 and it can withdraw from PayPal. And the last is bc.vc. bc.vc is simply another URL shortening website and it pays $4 to $10 per thousand views. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest video on it. So take care, goodbye.